The BM-30WM is an easy-to-use, portable, heavy-duty machine designed specifically for the removal of excess weld seams up to 11 mm high and 30 mm wide. Removal of excess weld up to 11 mm high and 30 mm wide. Possibility of undercutting to a depth of up to 1.5 mm. Magnetic guiding rails maintain a constant position of the machine against the workpiece. Rails are joinable for unlimited run length. Chip guard to protect operator. Variable spindle speed to optimize cutting conditions. Face milling beveling head for smooth operation and exceptional efficiency. Easy access to the milling head and cutting inserts. Adjustable handle and grip for comfort and ergonomics. Adjustable handle and grip for comfort and ergonomics. Powerful motor with electronic speed control between 1800 and 5850 RPM. Continuously adjustable milling height and depth. Overload protection to prevent motor damage. Rotary face milling head ensures smooth operation and exceptional efficiency without creating any heat-affected zones or distortion of the workpiece. Chip guard to protect the operator.